I'm Haley.
And I'm Mariah,
And we're here to talk to you about Newton's laws.
starting with the first.
Hello. Haley here telling you about Newton's first law. Newton's first law is an object at rest will stay at rest, or an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. So, I'm here to show you a couple examples of what that means. At rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. An object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force.
Hi, I'm Mariah, and I'm going to be talking about Newton's second law. So Newton's second law shows the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration, which can be expressed by the equation force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals m times a. So an example of Newton's second law would be Mike's car, which weighs 1,000 kilograms, is out of gas. So Mike can push the car 0.05 meters per second at a time. So meters per second, he can push it 0.05 meters. So using Newton's second law, you can compute the force that's being applied to his car by using the equation force equals mass times acceleration. So your equation would be force equals, because you don't know your force yet, so force equals 1,000 kilograms times 0.05 meters per second, and your unit for force would be newtons, so your answer would be 50 newtons. So that expresses Newton's second law, which is force equals mass times acceleration.
Hey, okay, Haley again. Now we're doing Newton's third law, and Newton's third law is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. And it's a little hard to explain, but basically it's a balance force. So it's like two twins of the same weight are like pushing each other, like this, and they both have equal weight. So they're both pushing each other with the same kind of force. And unbalance is like a really tall, bigger guy and a really short, like lighter guy are pushing on each other, and the heavier guy is making the little guy move because it's unbalanced, because they both weigh different. So that'd be an unbalanced force. So to show you, because I'm bad at explaining that, I'm going to show you some examples. So yeah, here you go. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. You see, we're balanced, so none of us are going in a different direction. Now, for every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. See? I had the more weight than her. So that means I'm stronger because I had more force. Now, hope you enjoyed a little demonstration of Newton's laws.
Hi, Mr. Boy!
Hi, Mr. Boy. Bye, Mr. Boy.
Say never.